Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much. If you are a returning subscriber, if you're already a subscriber to this channel, thank you so much for coming back to my video once again. And if you are new to this channel, probably you just found this particular video out of your search on YouTube, I welcome you also specially. Thank you for watching. Please, I encourage you to subscribe. Please, as a new person, as a new viewer, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you can receive notifications from me anytime I bring out a new video to solve a problem or add value to you. All right, so because you realize certain things you didn't know from the beginning, so this is what this video is all about. All right, so sit with me and let's go right into these 10 things. Right now, so there are things you need to know about date of birth modification on your NIN. I'm going to run through them very quickly. Number one, your NIN must be valid. That's the first thing. You cannot change anything on an NIN that is not valid. Your NIN must be valid. I'm going to do another video on how to check if your NIN is valid, or better still, let's go through it now. All right, so to check for the validity of your NIN, here is what you're going to do. You're going to go to passport, this is it, passport.immigration.gov.ng, passport.immigration.gov.ng. So when you paste that link here on your browser, it brings you to this portal, right? So here you have different options. Click on apply for fresh passport, and you can put in your NIN, put in date of birth, select the month. So ensure that the date of birth you're going to fill in here is the date of birth that was used in enrolling the NIN. You're going to put in a captcha right here and click on verify. If the NIN is valid, it will bring out your information, your surname, middle name, last name, your marital status, your gender, even your date of birth and some other information, right? If your NIN is not valid, it's going to pop out an error message, all right, telling you that this NIN, there are different kind of messages it can pop out. However, just know that if it doesn't give you the record on your NIN, then that means your NIN is not valid. So you need to go and validate your NIN or possibly enroll. All right, just work on it anyways. So let's come back to where we were now. So your NIN has to be valid. I've shown you how to check for that. Number two, you can only change your NIN, the date of birth on your NIN, if it is 5 years difference. Only 5 years difference, either 5 years higher or 5 years lower. All right, so if you intend to change your date of birth and the difference between your current date of birth and the new date of birth you want to change to is more than 5 years, this is not going to work. So bear this in mind. Number three, only howto.nin can be modified. So you cannot modify the DOB of a minor's NIN, a child's NIN. Number four, you cannot change the DOB if the NIN was enrolled as a child NIN. If the NIN was enrolled, so let's say someone was maybe 14 and enrolled his NIN or NIN, and there was a mistake on the date of birth. Now the person is 18 or even 20 and wants to change the date of birth. This is not going to work. All right, only howto.nin, like I mentioned, can be changed. In this case, what the person can do is what is called migration. The person will you can go to NIMC center, or you can contact us, we can help you with that. We're going to migrate your NIN from a child NIN to an howto.nin before the modification attempt will work. Number five, you need a digitized NPC certificate to modify your date of birth. What is NPC? National Population Commission date of birth certificate. So before you can change or modify your date of birth on your NIN, you need more like an affidavit that shows that you have usually before you do these things, before you do any kind of change, you need an affidavit. So this digitized NPC certificate is like something like that. It's like your birth certificate issued to you by the government. All right. So the NPC certificate, the NPC website is a government website that issues a recognized certificate to Nigerians that they can use to process whatever they want to process. So you need a digitized NPC certificate to modify your your DOB or your NIN. Right, so I've done a video on that. Please check the description of section of this video or the comment section. You're going to see a link that will show you how you can go through your to get your NPC certificate. Next, number 6, you need a high court affidavit for the NPC certificate. So before you do DOB modification, you need NPC certificate. However, before you can do that NPC, DOB, and birth attestation, you need a high court affidavit. Okay, not all of them, not all affidavits would work, but you need a certain one that will work. All right, I have a template that you can use. All right, so you don't need to bother yourself about creating another going to high court to go and get an affidavit. You don't need to do that. Right, I'm going to give you just send me a message. I'm going to give it to you. Number 7, it will cost you 16,340 naira and 3,045 naira for the whole process. So to get the NPC digitized birth attestation certificate, it will cost you 3,045 naira, and to be able to do the modification on the NIMC portal, self-service modification portal, you'll be charged a 16,340 naira remitter. All right. Then number 8, it could take between 24 hours and even a week for the DOB modification to take effect. I have seen people who have done DOB and then, just a few hours or few days, they start complaining that it has not taken effect. Sometimes it can be quick. The DOB modification can take effect within 24 hours. Sometimes it can take longer. I would prefer you take this approach, or you go through this process during the weekday, maybe on a Monday, because these things will be more like manually validated. So when you do your NPC is instant, you get your NPC certificate instantly. However, the NIN DOB modification will have to be vetted by someone, a physical person, a human from NIMC. What's it called? From NIMC. Number 9, you can only do this. You can do this with your smartphone, right? So let's say you want to do DOB modification. You can use your smartphone to do this for yourself. If you are doing it for yourself, you can even use a smartphone to do it on behalf of someone, maybe your sibling, maybe your child, or your child that is an adult in this case, or for someone else. You can as well use your laptop, right, without having to see the person face to face. You can use your laptop to also make this change. So if you are into NIMC, if you are an NIMC agent, or you are whatever, you are a POS agent and all of that, you can actually use this as a business. Someone can come to you and say they have issues with their date of birth on their NIN, and if you have a laptop, you can actually do this for them even without seeing them face to face physically. All right, I have a course I have prepared, that addresses what I just said now. Okay, if you're interested, please reach out to me to get the course. Yeah, number 10, which is the last point I'm going to make in this video, is that date of birth can only be changed, only once on the NIMC self-service modification portal, only once. So this means that you have to be extremely careful when you are going through the process. If you watch my videos, right, and you pay attention to what I'm doing, you'll be able to do this seamlessly. All right, so check the description of this video and check also the comment section. You will see links that will show you how to get your NPC birth attestation certificate and how to go through the DOB modification using your laptop, or if you're using your phone, it also work for you. All right, Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got value from this video. Please do subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I release a video you get a notification. Like, share this video so that other people can get to see it and also help them. Make your comments, ask your questions in the comment section, and I'll be more than glad to attend to you. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.